So far I have given you tests on rational numbers from the videos which I had posted. Those were my videos. Now I'm going to give you tests on rational numbers on the portion that you have done in delta. So I thought of revising with you first the delta portion, and then I'll give you a test on this. The first question is, if you have three fractions, 3 by 5, 2 by 3, 5 by 4. Question can be find which is greater, or it can be find which is smaller, or it can be compare the fractions. In all these three cases you will have to find which is the biggest fraction, then next to that, and after that. Now let's see how to do it. First write all the fractions: 3 by 5, 2 by 3, 5 by 4. The denominator is 5, 3, 4. First thing, you have to make the denominator same. Take the LCM of 5, 3 and 4. 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. 5 threes are 15, and this is 2 twos are 4. 15 fours are 60. So LCM of the denominators 5, 3 and 4 is 60. Now you write the first fraction 3 by 5. Write the second fraction under that. Third fraction under this. Write multiply. Draw the line. Equal to. Again draw the line. This LCM which you get, you write it here, 60. Now you see, 5 into which number is 60? 5 12s are 60. 5 12s are 60. If you are writing 12 here, then 12 also will be here. You have to write to make a balance. Now 3 into 12, 3 12s are 36. Again, 3 into which number is 60? 3 into 20 is 60. Then same number will write here. 2 20s are 40. 4 into 15 is 60. Same number will come here. 5 into 15, 75. Now, after you make the denominator same, it becomes easy to compare the fraction. If they have same denominator, you ignore the denominators now. If they have same denominators, okay, in the fractions, you will ignore the denominator. Just see the numerator. 36, 40 and 75. Which is the greatest? 75 is greatest. So this rational number is greatest. 75. After that, which number? 40 is greater. Second greatest. And then 36. This is the last. Okay. So from these, which is greater? 75 by 60 corresponds to 5 by 4. This 5 by 4 is greater. Therefore, you will tell 5 by 4 is greater. So even if you have two fractions, you have to compare which is greater, smaller. The same method you will follow. Okay. If you have three, then like 3 steps. If you have two fractions, 2 steps. Just like the same way. Second question is, this was first solution. Solution second. Find a rational number between 3 by 4 and 9 by 11. Inserting a rational number. You have done all this in delta. I'm just revising with you. How do you get a rational number between two rational numbers? The easiest method is you will add these two and then the answer divide by 2. So first add these two rational numbers. 3 by 4 plus 9 by 11. Take the LCM. LCM of 4 and 11 is 44. Now divide this 4 and 44. 4 11s are 44. 4 11s are 44. Multiply this 11 with 3. 11 3s are 33. Again 4 11s are 44. This 11 multiply with 3. 11 3s are 33. Plus divide 11 and 44. 11 4s are 44. Multiply this 4 with 9. 4 9s are 36. Add it. 6 plus 3. 9. 3 plus 3 6. 69 by 44. Now you divide this by 2. 69 by 44 divided by 2. When you divide, the next step is you can write here 2 by 1. because here is a fraction, here also we will write fraction. We can write by 1. If there is no number, we can write 1. Now change this division to multiply, and when you change this division to multiply, you will take reciprocal of 2 by 1. Reciprocal means just make it upside down. 2 by 1 upside down will be 1 by 2. The numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes the numerator when you change division to multiply. Now if it is getting cancelled, you cancel. We cannot cancel it, so just multiply. 69 ones are 69, 44 twos are 88. So this is the answer. This is the fraction in between these two. How you will do? First add them. The answer you will divide by 2. So you get a fraction between these two. Again, now you have these 4 rational numbers. The question is, which is greatest from above? Now in this one we made same denominator. When we make same denominator, you will ignore the denominators and then just see the numerator which is greater. That fraction is greater. Now what happens when the numerator is same? How do you know which is greatest? When the numerator is same, the fraction with the greatest denominator becomes the smallest, and the fraction with the smallest denominator becomes the greatest. Okay, I repeat. When you have same numerator, then how do you compare? The fraction which is having the greatest denominator, 13, 17, 11, 12, 17 is greatest. So this fraction which has greatest is actually smallest, and the fraction which has the smallest, 11 is smallest from 13, 17, 11, 12. So this fraction which has smallest denominator is the greatest. So the question is, which is greatest? So you should know which is greatest. The one which has smallest denominator. So 5 by 11 is the greatest from all these fractions. So third answer, solution for third answer is 5 by 11 is greatest. So I'll send you some questions so you can revise on this, and then you'll have a test on this. That's all for today.